Let's talk about backlinks. A backlink is when another website links to yours. Google treats these like votes of confidence. The more quality links you have from respected websites, the more Google trusts you. And AI tools work similarly. They tend to cite and reference sources that other websites also reference, so backlinks help you in both places. On the left side under your SEO toolkit, scroll down to Link Building and then click Backlinks. Next, enter your domain. Then click Analyze. Here on this Backlinks overview page, we can see all the information about other sites linking to this site. In the top bar here, we can see that there are 2.6 thousand other websites referring traffic back to this website. The backlinks column here shows us that across those 2.6 thousand sites, there are 28,000 links, which are responsible for 161,000 monthly visits. Scrolling down here, we can see the site's authority score. What is authority score exactly? Well, if you hover over this eye here, you'll see that it says the authority score is Semrush's metric measuring the domain's overall reputation. It takes into account the number and quality of the backlinks coming back to this site and the overall authenticity of the site and its profile. 47 here is pretty good, but the higher you can get this number, the better. To the right of this panel, you can see it shows the site's authority score over time. To see which sites are linking back to this website, we can click the Backlinks tab up above. On this Backlinks tab here, you can see Semrush has identified and listed almost 28,000 links pointing back to this website. What do you do with this information? Well, you can look at these links by type. So here, if you click on the best filter, you can see which of these links are the best, meaning they're increasing your site's overall authority because they're coming from reputable sites. The next best filter to check out is the lost and vital filter. This tells you which websites and links used to point back to your website but don't anymore. You don't need to do something about every single link on this list, but if you notice that there is a high value, high page authority score site that no longer points back to your site, it's worth reaching out to them to figure out why and see if you can somehow repair that link. Perhaps it just got broken and they need an updated link. Or perhaps something about their content has changed and they've decided not to feature your site anymore. Either way, it's worth investigating so you can potentially restore those links and increase your site's authority score. The higher your authority score, the more Google trusts you and will recommend you and your content. These list pages show you which backlinks you have, which ones you've gained recently, and which ones you've lost. But how do you identify new opportunities to get more backlinks? Let me show you. On the left side in the SEO toolkit under Competitive Analysis, click Backlink Gap. On the Backlink Gap page, make sure your domain is in the first field labeled You, and then add several of your competitors. Then click Find Prospects. Just like the Keyword Gap tool earlier surfaced keywords that your competitors are ranking for that you are not ranking for, this tool shows you sites that are linking to your competitors but not linking to you. Each one of these is a potential opportunity. Let me quickly show you how this list works. If we scroll down, we can see the referring domain on the left side, as well as each site's authority score. Again, the higher this authority score is, the more reputable the site is. The matches column shows you how many of the sites that were input are being linked to by this domain. If any site says 0, it means it's not being linked to at all. The number indicates how many links are coming from that referring domain to the destination domain. Okay, so how do you identify the best opportunities? Well, I recommend using the authority score filter. If you click that drop down up here, set a lower threshold of 50, then click Apply. Now we can see a list of all the websites that are sending traffic to our competitors and are reputable. This page now becomes your checklist or to-do list. For example, here we have the Food Network linking to 3 of our competitors, but not to us. If they're willing to write about 3 of our competitors, there's a good chance that they'd be willing to write about us too. They have a high authority score and get 22.5 million monthly visits. So we should try to get them to link to our site somehow. A few high-quality backlinks from relevant sites in your niche are worth more than hundreds from random directories. Look for patterns. If a food blog reviewed 3 of your competitors but not you, that's your outreach target. And Semrush makes it easy to begin an outreach campaign. Simply check the box next to any referring domain you want to try to get links from, and then click Start Outreach. This will open up the Backlink Builder tool, which you can use to manage an outreach campaign. I'm not going to demo that here, but it's pretty straightforward to use. Just follow the prompts.